Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. Today we have a challenge lock. It is an American 1100 and it is pinned by Priyer. Here we go. Keys mummied, but hopefully we can get this picked. Not picked this one yet. Got it in the vise ready to go. Don't realise I have to show it on camera. But before we do, as usual, if you're interested in lock sport and you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. That's UKLS, or should be on Discord, Extraordinary League of Pickers, or on UKLP, which is Lock Picking and Lock Sports, on Facebook. And if you like some of my channel, you want to see some more, hit the subscribe button, that bell icon, as I make 2 to 3 videos per week, from picking locks to challenge locks to lock tutorials to all type of lock stuff related, really, giveaways. Oh, and speaking of giveaways, it will be now, I've changed the date, but Sunday will be the day I announce the the winner to 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I've just got a bit of a busy week, so I ain't got time to do I was going to tomorrow, but we're going to get it done on Sunday. So you have to just wait a little bit longer. I don't think you'll really mind. And then we can get it signed. Zoom in. I always call these an F keyway, even though it's upside down, and well, it's not the right way, but if it looks like a letter F, I'm going to use a Daz Evers hook. Very nice work. And homemade tension wrench. Let's see how this goes. Do like that. Try and get less thumb in there. Oh, gonna click off one. That was an overset, that. Yeah, that was an overset of number 2. I'm getting some counter on that one. Go for another reset. Right, nice click off 2. Oh, nice click off 3, and let's turn another colour. think it's... Oh, we're open. There we go. Wow. That was a nice little fight, that. I'm not going to... can I? No, I'm not mummifying it. Right. Let's get this gutted and see what we got inside. But that was definitely a good fight. I think it's one of the longest it's took me to open 1100, even a challenge lock. Cool enough, that's the one. Bugger looks. Rightio. Just, yep. See if I can find a shim that will fit in here. Oh, I've definitely got something in here. Well, to be honest, I only need the shim at that part. Just as long as it gets past that first bit. Where's them pins? There we go. Just give me 1 second. Sweet. Right, let's see what he's done. So we got no traces. We have a serrated in one which looks like a commercial American. Number 2 I think's had some work done to it. Number 3, standard in 4. Possibility homemade in 6, in 5, and 6 is definitely homemade. Let's see what we've got in this colour. Threading in 1, undercutting in 2, undercutting in 3, undercutting in 4, nothing in 5, and threading in 6. That's I think it's the tiniest undercutting I've ever seen. That's really cool, and it's really nice and deep and smooth. Really nice work there. Let's see what we have in here. Remove the shim. Let's see what he put in. Oh, definitely nice pin. Standard spring. Oh wow, look at that. I'll show you that close up. That's definitely a nice bit of work. Number 3. The spring out. Oh, and number 4 is on the same thing as well. Very, very cool. I don't know if the spring wants to come out on that one, so I don't want to force that out. Number 6 is a standard spool and spring. Number 5 is just a standard. That's a straight spool, whatever it is. It's a commercial one. There's one spring that doesn't want to come out. I'm not forcing him out. Oh, and we've got work to the core as well. Threading 1, 2, nothing in 4, 5, nothing in 2, and in 1. Well, awesome work. Priyer did a really great job on this. Let's check out these pins, what he's been doing to them. I mean, look at that one. That's going to catch you up. As it's like, you see, as it's half cut. That's really cool. We've got a serrated in one, and then it's he's narrowed it down at the end. We've got commercial in key pins. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all commercial except for this one, which is definitely a little spooled. Commercial, but I think he's serrated the centre of that as well. Number 4, he's done the same thing. He's cut the pin, half of it, as you can see, so it locks up. And we've got a commercial spool and a commercial spool in 5 and 6. These 2 pins though, which means if these pins move around inside the Bible, they're going to change the way it picks nearly every time. That is awesome work. Sorry the video was so long, but that was a fun lock to get into. I really enjoyed that. Well, thank you very much to Priyer for making that lock. Awesome lock. Don't forget on Sunday, I'm going to do the announce of the giveaway. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and bye. Don't forget to like.